right, welcome to the Credit Game. My name is Mike. Every day I come to you. Every day something different is going on in the world. As you guys know, and I'm not going to harp on this too much, there's a scare, there's anxiety, there's people that are, I don't know what's going on. You got people losing their jobs, you got people being laid off, you got people working from home, you got people stealing toilet paper, you got people at the top of the success ladder holding toilet paper and spray, germ spray, thinking that's the top of success, right? So hand sanitizer and a toilet paper is, you see a lot of these memes out there and people are like unbelievably all over this. So I won't talk too much about it other than the fact that education is the new norm, okay? I want to know why it's okay for you guys to get denied for cars, for credit cards, for mortgages, for loans. Why is that okay with you? You know who I'm talking to that has a 500, a 600, or even the low 700s who are struggling. And you guys, like, time after time, you're getting, you're applying for things, right? You want that car and you want those credit cards and you want that loan, but it's like your parents told you, never give up, right? And so you guys just keep going and going and going. And it's that same disappointing denial that you keep getting over and over again. Why? Why is that okay? Why is it okay that you pay cash for everything and don't want to leverage credit? Well, one of the topics I want to talk about, and kind of I wrote an email on this as well, so you guys will see that, is it's not that it's okay, okay? What it is people don't know where to start, right? In psychology, this is what I've learned, okay? When people don't know what to do, they tend to push it and don't make it a priority, right? You guys have been living with bad credit for years. So what makes it something now that's all once like, oh, I want to get it fixed, right? And so there's not a lot of urgency there. But I'm going to tell you that's wrong, okay? Don't wait till I'm going to buy a house in 3 months to try to fix your credit today. I would love to have credit cards right now in a time of a pandemic. I mean, we got people that are like, that, are stealing stuff from stores, right? Everything's off the shelf, but we want to wait. We want to push off our credit. By the way, it is the most important thing as an adult that goes hand in hand with your finances. The absolute most important thing you could do right now is fix your credit. The most. I don't think there's anything else with what's going on in the world right now that would be more important than protecting your family and having availability to have credit, to be able to provide for your kids, for your family, for your wife, your husband. Like, you guys are always about pushing things off and sweeping it under the rug. And it's not your fault. I'm telling you, it's not your fault. It's that you didn't have the education. Mommy and daddy didn't teach you this. They didn't teach this in high school and college. I know that because I know that that's never happened. So I'm telling you this. There's a few things you can do, okay? Again, I want to tell you, it's not your fault. You just haven't had the education to do it. And you don't know where to start. So I'm looking at this book and I'm like, I don't know what to do. So why did I put a platform together for you guys to learn? Because I want you to know that credit cards are not bad. Loans are not bad, okay? It's like people that tell me, I don't do credit cards. And then I ask, why? I just don't do credit cards. Look, the credit card, okay, is not the problem. Just as much as a pencil is not a problem, right? You can stab somebody with a pencil, but people use them every day. Right? Same thing with a knife. You can cut a piece of bread or you can stab somebody, right? So it's not the part, it's the human behavior behind the object is the problem. Credit card ain't nothing. Credit card's a credit card. Okay? What you need to understand is how to use the credit card. You as a person. Okay? So that's the platform I put together. Okay? Now, in a time of where everybody's freaked out, and again, people are being laid off, people are staying home, what are you going to do? You're going to watch TV? You're going to play video games all day? Or are you going to take this time to protect your family and educate yourself on the absolute most important thing you could ever do right now? Choice is yours. If you want to sit home and play Fortnite and watch TV and play video games and watch The Bachelor and Bachelorette, then fine. Use those couple weeks while you're home to do that. What I recommend is educating yourself in a platform that is designed to help you do your credit. I teach you where to go for credit cards. I don't care if your score is a 0. I've got credit cards for people that have no credit, what they call a skeleton credit, thin file, like 500 to 600, 600 to 700, 700 to 800. Where do you go? What are the best options you're going to put together based on your credit score and what credit bureaus they pull from, so that way you can also leverage how many credit cards you get. And you're not like applying for a card that pulls Experian, and then you're applying for another card that pulls Experian, and then you're pulling another card that pulls Experian, and then you get capped. Leverage, guys. This is what I teach. I teach leverage. I teach knowing before you do something so you don't have to think, and at the end, you're like, shit, I should have done that. Okay? In our platform, I teach you guys how to get loans and credit cards and where to go for those and the best chances for approval. That's why this is amazing. This platform, like I'm telling you guys about right now, it just came out a few weeks ago. I kept it for the introductory price. I have it again today for the introductory price. So if you're serious and you're like, you know what, I want to learn, I want to change my life, I'm tired of having bad credit, put together everything for you. And a step-by-step 7-minute video that literally lays out exactly how to pull your credit report, what to circle, and actually how to put it in the mailbox. Like, it's for dummies. It should be how to do credit repair for dummies that's inside this. With, by the way, the most effective proprietary letters that we use for 6 years that go inside the letter with you. I show you exactly how to do that. If you guys can't follow a 7-minute video, okay, it's like I said, it's for dummies. Where to go for credit cards, where to go for how to do your own credit repair. Oh, and by the way, if you're lazy and you're like, you know what, I just want to buy a fish, I don't want to learn how to fish, we have the VIP vendors for you guys that are like, you know what, I just want to learn on my own pace, which is fine because it'll be in your email for as long as you have the email. But also, you can go to our vendors page and nearly get half off of trade lines and credit repair that's extremely fast and effective. Right in the vendors page. That's part of our program as well. I made this for everybody. There's not a single person that's going to call in that's going to go, this ain't for me. Because you either want to fix your credit or you don't. And if you want to fix your credit, you have two options. A, I want vendors VIP page because right now I need a quick fix, which is fine. And then take the time to go through the education platform, okay, at your leisure. Or B, I want to take the time now while I have this time because things have slowed down because of work and because of what's going on in the world, and I will take the time to do the education platform now, and then whenever I'm ready, I will buy a trade line or get credit repair. Whatever the case is, you have both options. But I made it both options so that way there's not a single person that can call in and go, it's not for me. It's for you. If you want to fix your credit. Now, if you got great credit, guess what? I got something for you as well. I've also got it where credit cards for 800 credit scores. Right? What are the best options? How do you do the travel? Okay. In my next course, which I'm going to tell you about real quick, next course, in the bachelor's, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to travel for free and how to get dining for free and hotels for free. It's a trick of the trade. I'm having a guest come in actually to speak on this one. It's going to be in the bachelor's in the next edition. So again, take the time right now while things have slowed down and educate yourself. It is the new norm. Behind a computer, learn it. Change your family's life. Maybe you have a parent, a kid, mother, father. I mean, everybody can use credit help, right? I know you know somebody with a 500 credit score. Help them as well, because the platform you could use, and you can not only use it for yourself, but you can use it because you have the proprietary letters. You could use for everybody as well. So call us at 904-420-7772, 904-420-7772. And if you guys want the help, which you should be taking advantage right now, I implore you to call us to get your help. This is what I'm here for. This is why I come every day. Thank you guys for watching The Credit Game. My name is Mike, as always. And until tomorrow, take care.